All right, ladies and gentlemen. So this is 300 right here. Pretty good, right? 300. And we all know that this is a psychological level, but we're expecting a continuation all the way to 306. And let's go ahead and keep on writing it until I tell you not to anymore. We already learned from 91 and 91 to 301. That's 10 points that we're up already. And we'll continue writing it all the way to 306. All right, ladies and gentlemen, remember our entry long 91. You know, when we knew that the price was gonna go to 300 and uh, and uh, and 306, that 91. All right, smart money. It's looking to take it all the way back to 91 again. They need to take the stops of all the weak bulls. Alrighty. All right. So watch it. All right. That's why I told you, under these conditions, it's okay to peel out 94, 96, 300. That 306. That wasn't that wasn't gonna be a an easy doozy. Alrighty, look at that mistake. Didn't I tell you when the price took that 99, 99? That's right. That's a bearish. Alrighty then. So okay. So let's see. Look at that. Right. Support becomes resistance. Resistance becomes support. Price goes to 94. He cannot take it. He has to bounce right there. They want to take it to 91, by the way, to our entry long. That's where they want to take it to 91. And yeah, but they can't do it yet. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we're taking a. Remember what I told you. You know, we had 85 first, and then we had 91. Price comes to our 91. We know that 91 becomes support. Support becomes resistance. Look at the bounce. That's because all of you guys went long right here, 91, and we just made 3 points. Look at the bounce all the way to 94, right? So it's good, right? This is scalping, right? Look at this. This is scalping at its best. Okay. All righty. Now, what a beautiful tumble. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So now we're gonna have some sideways action here. The overall market direction is no longer bullish. We went. This pullback is strong enough to change the overall market direction from bullish to sideways. It's not bearish yet, but it's beginning to be. I'll let you know. All right. So, oh my God, yeah, that's right. This thing goes back to 300. We're gonna short it. All right. We're gonna short this high right here, 300, 302. All right. In the meantime, just stay long. Look at this beauty. Look at this. It's 10 a.m. right? Okay. Alrighty then, it's 10 a.m. So boom. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So that 91 long. All right. So 306 is back in business. We are pulsing it out, right? All right. I just told you, hey, listen, we're gonna short the 302, right? Well, because I'm expecting 306 to stop it, right? Okay. So be careful right here. You saw that, right? All righty then. Okay, so it's beautiful. So we're long from here, from 90, right? 90 price only goes to 89. So we have like 2 points of heat only on our long, and we just made 15 points in 15 microseconds, right? Boom, I told you we're going to short 303. I told you we're going to short it. All right, look at that. Price goes to 304, and any shorts that we're on, still, it's a counter trend, but this, so in other words, this time we're not gonna let a counter trend slip away our hands. That's why we shorted 303, just like I told you what, maybe 15 seconds before this happened, mistake. Then I said we're gonna take advantage. We're gonna short the high 300, 303. That's right. It's a counter trend. 303, boom, price back to 95. So we're up 8 points on the counter trend short, and we are still long 90, 91, expecting the price to go to 306. So it turned out to be a Lamborghini day after all. So, as a matter of fact, one more piece of information, and this you're gonna love this one, right? So we've been summary. We've been long from 91, 300, 96, expecting 306, right? Of course, we still, and then the price goes to to this high right here. All right, it goes to 4 quarter, right? So a couple of points below our target, right? This one right here, 306. The target that we've been since 91, right? Expecting, to make this from 91 all the way to 306, this 15 points. So we're locking here, locking 5, locking 10, and then we see this pullback. We don't take a counter trend short because price never went on the first leg to 306. So we didn't take advantage of this beautiful pullback. Price goes to our support. We beautifully go long right here, 90, right? 90, 91. And then we made 15 points in 15 seconds. Oh, and 15 seconds before it did, I told you we will short 303 because the overall market direction is no longer bullish, it's sideways now. So we will take advantage of a resistance above 303, right? 303, 306. Then we take a short counter trend 306, right? So we made 10 points on the first leg. We don't trade the pullback. We build back better or establish a new position long here again, 900. We make 15 points and then we counter trend short 303, 300, 303 with a small position, and look at this pullback all the way to 94, right? So that's exactly what's been happening. Now, the future. What's the future intention of the trend, my friends? Well, I'm gonna tell you. All right, so the overall market direction is no longer sideways, it's snaky. And is it going back to bullish, or is it gonna stay snake, or is it gonna go down? Well, I have reason to believe that it's gonna go down. So this counter trend short that we are 303, we are expecting to turn into the main play. So in other words, I'm expecting the price to break the low of the initial wave support, 87, this 87 right here, break it and continue going down. So until that happens, this short 303 is still a counter trend. But I believe that it's going to turn into the main play. So we're going to get the hell out of the current long position that we're on, because until there is no destroyment of this low right here, or I tell you to get the hell all out, the main play is still bullish. We're just taking advantage of the future, right? This is what we believe is going to happen in the future. All right, so if we know that, then you are in a much better position to manage your long. We're long 90 here, and we're short 303. We know which one is the main play, and we know which one is the counter trend, right? So be strong, stay there, and manage both positions. Simple. That's how it's done. All right. Oh my God! So you're long and short? Yeah, we're long 90 and short 303. What's the problem with that? We are long 90 with the main play, with the ES, and we're short 303 with the counter trend. Of course we are. What's wrong with that? Oh my God! You're always gonna win. You're never gonna lose. No, you idiot. We're long 90 and short 303, and we're managing right now. I'm talking to some other I'm talking to some other people. Because derelicts, amateurs, they don't understand that. They don't know that they can. It's not like we are long 97 and short 97. That's not what we're doing. We're long 90, short 303. It's a humongous difference, and we believe that we believe that the counter is gonna end up being the main play. That's what we believe. It doesn't matter whether it happens or not. We are in management right now. It's not gonna be easy, I tell you. Taking 80, the low, our low, 85, 83, that's not gonna happen easily. Right? So believe you me, that 83, that's not gonna happen easily because the bulls are still gonna go long there. They just don't know that the bears are gonna take control of the entire environment in a little while. They just don't know that yet. Of course, that's what's gonna make the price to bounce off of our support. So no, tell me if call me crazy if you want to, but this action right here, great, terrific. We're long 91. We didn't show this one, and then we're long 90 again. Second leg, we made 15. We made 10 points. Then we made 15 points, and then we are 10 points up on the counter trend short. Remember, you don't have to trade both, right? You don't have to. It's okay, right? If you want to go with the main play, you're not sure that 303, and you're still long our long here 90, right? And you want to play all the way to 306, terrific. However, remember what I told you. I'm beginning to see signs that the bears are going to take over. So you want to have tight leash. You're going to be careful with that long because we believe the future, the price is eventually going to take 83, 80, 85, and right, and that's when the bears are going to take full control. All right. So if you know all of that, right? If you know all of that, and you're long, then you know how to manage your long position. If you know all of that and you're short right here, short where I told you to be short, and long where I told you to be short, then you know how to manage your position, right? So if you're short right now and you are expecting a change in command, right, and the price to go to actually 80, 85, 83, then you're gonna hold on to your bearish position a little longer, right? Right. Okay, because you know the future. You know the future. Well, let me repeat that. You know the odds as to what's gonna happen in the future. I'm watching 70. All right. You want me to tell you, right? If I'm right and the price does exactly what I said, then where is it going to the downside? Well, 69, 70. Out of this room, How can you predict the future, man? We all know that it's impossible to predict the future, Capi. Come on. How can you say something like that? I'm out of this room. All right, get the hell out of here. Or stay and you'll see if we can predict the future or not. So far, we've predicted it pretty good, right? For the last 45 minutes, we think? Oh, yeah. Okay. Listen, we're going to bring 83. We're going to bring it 2 points down to 81. All righty? Okay, 81 it is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so another summary. We went long, then we went long again, then we took a shot short here through A. Target one for this counter trend short is 85, 81, right? 85, 81. And then we are expecting later on for the price to take it and continue to 69. 69 then is going to be target 2 for the counter trend short 303 that we're currently on, which is still not the main play, right? But we believe that it will be. What does that mean? Well, we believe that the price is eventually going to take 85. It's going to be some shenanigans here, 81, 85, right? No man's land, and then eventually a taking of this territory right here. and a continuation to 69, right? So target 1 is here from these 303. So we made 10 points here, and then we made 15 points on the second leg, and we're right now 15 points on this counter trend, and we're holding it because we believe that it is going to take the low. As long as the price is below 96, the bears are in control. Alrighty? Okay. All right, this is your question. All right, Capi, let me see if I'm understanding what you're saying. Main play is still long, the low, bullish, expecting the price to main play to, to go to your target 1, the high of that range, 300, 306, target 1. So if that's the main play, Cappy, then we want to have a bigger position long than short, right? Because it's the main play. And that's going to be the main play until 81 is destroyed. As long as 81 is not destroyed, the main play is long. And we still after 306, even though we already made 15 points when it went to 304, right? Is there a target 2 to the upside? Well, I'm glad you asked, because there is. Okay, what is it? Well, you're probably not gonna like it, but it's only 309. Oh my God, that's nothing. That's only 3 points, man. Well, that's target 2. Can I say? However, if you want to know what target 3 is, I'll give it to you.
Give it to us.
And this one, you're gonna like. Oh, really? Yeah, why? I give it to you because target 3 is 3 327. Boom. That's what's gonna. This is what the bulls want to do today, right? Remember, as long as 81 is not destroyed, or I tell you that's it, no more long, bulls are gonna take it to 300, 306. The reason there is such a big difference between 300 and 306 is because this is a psychological level. This 300, right? We all know that. All right, and then target 206, and then 18 points difference to target 3. That's what the bulls want to do. Now, we all know that before they go to 09 and 27, they need to destroy the teenagers on YouTube, those and the fake gurus on YouTube that have 2 million subscribers, right? And make everybody believe that they're big shots. They need to be destroyed, right? That's why they don't trade live real time, and they don't read the market as it's happening, because they'll get destroyed and nobody's gonna ever follow them again because they're not real traders. They don't know this. Okay? And they are the same as the retail traders. Smart money need to destroy them first before they do what they really want to do. So we trade what we see, what we think, and what we believe. Do I still believe in that phantom in that phantom trend that is going to take the price all the way to 81? Right? Do I still believe in it? It's a phantom trend. Remember, bulls are still in control. We have target 1, target 2, and target 3 to the upside, right? But we believe that there is a phantom trend hidden that is going to take the price to 81, right? And 81 and 69, right? That's the bearish counter trend move, right? Once the main play is invalidated, which it has, right? So how do we manage the position? We still want to play the long side as the main play, right? But is that hidden trend still there? Yes, it is. All right. Price just told us, hey, listen, this 96 300, 96 99. We're gonna play around here a little while, confuse everybody, and then we're gonna make our move. All right. Chop began early. We go to phase 7, and and this is it. Time right now 11:08, and God knows how long the chop is gonna continue. All right. Long story short. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe this is 4273, and we wanted to go all the way to 69, right? So let's see if we're gonna get our 69 target too.
Ay, me dijo que uno de los edificios, de los apartamentos, esos que le dije, mañana nosotros vamos para allá. Yo ni me acordaba que Mauricio llegaba mañana, le dije.